Hello, my dear students. Welcome to our English class. As you know, we started our revision sheet and we completed our revision sheet chapter 1 grammar and writing part. In grammar, we learned articles, and in writing, we learned informal letter writing. In that informal letter writing, that page number 8 is remaining. I hope you will complete 6 and 7 yourself, and I am going to send you page number 8 answer copy. You have to copy from your WhatsApp pic, from whatever I am sending you, from you copy that one, page number 8. And today we are going to start chapter 2, a lost button. This is it is a summary of the lost button. इट्स अ होल समरी, मीन्स चैप्टर का जो समझाया हुआ है उसका शॉर्ट फॉर्म में ये स्टोरी है. दिस इज एन एक्सपर्ट फ्रॉम फ्रॉग एंड टोड आर फ्रेंड्स बाय एमोल्ड लोबल. Toad and Frog were out walking. After walking through a large field, the woods, and along a river, they arrived Toad's house. Toad's feet hurt, and he realized that he had lost one of the buttons on his jacket. So, Frog said that they shall go back to the places where they had walked and find the button. They went to the field, and Frog found a button in the tall grass, but Toad said that it was not his button, as it was black, while his button had been white. However, he kept the black button. A sparrow handed them a button, but Toad said that it had 2 holes, while his button had 4 holes. He kept that button too. The two of them then went to the woods, where Frog found another button, but Toad said it was small white. His button had been big. He kept the small button. In the mud beside the river, Frog found one more button, but Toad said that it was thin white. His button was thick, and kept the thin button. They searched some more but could not find Toad's button. He became angry and ran back home. There he found his button on the floor. Toad felt sorry for having given so much trouble to Frog. He sewed all the buttons they had found to his jacket and gave the jacket to Frog. The next day, Frog loved it and wore it happily. This time, none of the buttons fell off. Okay? This is the short form of this lost button chapter. There are 2 friends. That friends were Frog and Toad. They went for walk. They walked in field and woods and riverside. Along river means riverside. That time when they came back to Toad's house, Toad's feet hurt. Toad's का पैर बहुत दुख रहे थे. He realized that he lost his buttons, one of his jacket. Toad अपना बटन घुमा दिया था. So Frog said that he shall go back. So Frog want to help Toad. So he said to Frog, they will go back and they will find the buttons from the wherever they walked. So they both went for searching the button, but they couldn't search the button. While searching, they searched many type of buttons. That time, Toad kept all buttons in his cap pocket, and Sparrow also helped them to find the buttons. In last, the Toad sewed all the buttons on his jacket and gave it to the frog. Why he gave the jacket to frog? Because he wanted to thank the frog. This is the story of Frog and Toad. Okay, now come to the our revision sheet. Our revision sheet. Important points. Chapter 2, A Lost Button. Important points to realize that true friendship one another. Two friends help one another. Second one, difference between frog and toads. Frogs need to leave water, toads do not. Frogs take long high jump and toads take small hops. Frogs have a smooth skinny toad skin and toads have a rough, dry and bumpy skin. This chapter is about an animal story about two close friends and how they help each other. It is story to help get sequence of a story, and it is points under beginning, middle and end. Okay, learning outcome of this chapter is important points. इसमें हमें एक चैप्टर रीड करने से क्या मालूम होता है? ट्रू फ्रेंडशिप. जो ट्रू फ्रेंड्स होते हैं they will ready to help every time and anywhere. And difference between frogs and toads. Water frogs need to live water. Frogs only live in water, but toads do not need water to live. They live in earth and in water too. Okay, frog take a high jump. They will jump very long, and toads take a small jump. Frogs have a smooth skin and toads have a rough and dry skin and bumpy skin. Okay, it's a difference in this chapter. We will learn difference between the frog and toad. This chapter is about animals. Here only animals are there. That animal are sparrow, frog and toad. Then they help each other. Then in this story, we learn writing story. How we will start our story? Story will start with the beginning, middle and end. We will learn writing story from this chapter. Okay, now come to the scene passage 1. Scene passage 1. Toad ran home and slammed the door. There on the floor, he saw his white floor hold big their button. Thick button. Oh, said Toad. It was here all the time. What a lot of trouble I have made for Frog. Toad took all of the button out of his pocket. Then he sewed the buttons all over his jacket. To Frog, his friend thought that it was beautiful. Okay, this is our scene passage. Which type of button Toad want? Which type of button Toad want? White button, big thick button. He want white and thick button he want. What did Toad give the jacket to? Frog. Why did give jacket to Frog? Toad want to thank and make happy frog. So he gave a friend thought it was a beautiful. Who said this line? What a lot of trouble I have made. Who said this one? Toad. Write two past tense of this. See, saw, take, took, run, ran. You have to complete this scene passage and unseen scene passage in your revision sheet only. You have to find answer from scene passage and you have to give answer. Now, scene passage 2. Toad and Frog went for a long walk. They walked across a large field. They walked in the woods. They walked along the river. At last, they came to Toad's house. Answer the following. Who went for walk? Toad and Frog went for long walk. Where did they walk? They walked in the woods. They walked along the river. Write opposites of these. Short, long, small, big. First, last. Write past tense of these. Go, went. Walk, walked. Come, came. Write naming words from the passage. Naming words are toad, frog, woods, river. These are house. These are naming words. Okay. Now, fill in the blanks. You have to do fill in the blanks in your revision sheet only. These two scene passages are from your revision sheet only. This is from your textbook. Page number last in your revision textbook, chapter number 2. And first one is first paragraph of the second one is in the first paragraph of the your textbook, chapter number 2. Okay. I hope you all will complete this question answers yourself. Try to do and try to solve all question answers yourself by reading twice and read thoroughly while you will get the answers in these passages only. Now come to the fill-ups. These fill-ups are from the your chapter only. Okay. Toad gave his dash to frog, jacket to frog. Toad put button on his jacket. Dash and Dash went for long walk. Toad and Frog went for long walk. They walked in the woods. The last button had a 4 holes. Okay. You have to write these answers. Who are the characters? Toad and Frog are the. What are they doing? They were walking. Where did find Toad's button? Toad's button find white floor hold big thick button. It was here. Means Toad's button find in Toad's home. What kind of friend was Frog? Frog was a helping and kind friend. Okay. This work you have to complete in your revision sheet. I hope you all will complete it yourself. Before doing this one, you have to read chapter 2 thoroughly and you have to solve yourself this all. I hope it's a very easy chapter and very interesting chapter. You will do yourself. And if any query is there, I will solve that query. And listen carefully. Whenever you are solving seen passage or an unseen passage, you have to read that passages 2 times or 3 times thoroughly. Then only you will get the answers. Okay. I hope you will do this yourself. Thank you. Bye.